Good morning, students. Now, the fifth treatment of goodwill, fifth type of treatment of goodwill. Lastly, I have explained you what are the journal entries if goodwill is bought in kind. Means he is not bringing goodwill in cash; he is bringing some asset for the goodwill. Hope it is clear to all of you. Now, the next type of case is when a part of goodwill or premium for goodwill is bought. Means if you have 50,000 goodwill, his share is 50,000 of goodwill. Out of that, he is bringing 25,000 cash and rest 25,000 he is unable to bring. Then what are the journal entries you have to pass? See, the first thing, if there is already existing goodwill in the books, you have to write off that. So write off goodwill already appearing in the balance sheet. How you will write off, that is already clear to you. Old partners capital or current account, that depends on type of capital. Old partners capital or current account debit to goodwill account, in which ratio? In their old ratio. You will distribute that goodwill which is already existing in the balance sheet asset side. Further, amount bought by incoming partner, as I have given you example, 50,000 was goodwill and he is bringing 25,000 in cash. So the amount bought by him, 25,000 cash is bought by him. So bank account debit to premium for goodwill account. And I have written here partner's capital account also, because he is a new partner, he is bringing some capital also. So to incoming partner's capital account with the amount of capital, to premium of goodwill account with the amount he bought for goodwill. Now the entry for next 25,000 which he is unable to bring. See, for unpaid goodwill, incoming partner's current account. Here you have to remember this clearly, that you have to write here always current account. Okay, it is not because of fixed or fluctuating capital. This word current, this you have to remember, that I am going to use in case he is not bringing goodwill in cash or in kind, he is unable to bring the amount of goodwill incoming partner, then you have to write beta incoming partner's current account. Is it clear? You have to write current account always. Okay, incoming's partner current account debit to sacrificing partner's capital account. In which ratio? In sacrifice ratio. So this is the third entry which was new to you. The amount which he is unable to bring, that is 25,000. You have to pass entry with his name. New partners current account debit to sacrificing partners, या old partners current account in sacrificing ratio. Okay, clear? Now next is does not bring his share of goodwill. This was he is bringing, for fifth case was he is bringing share, half goodwill he is bringing, then half you have made entry with that cash bank to premium for goodwill account, and half is not bringing, new partners current account debit to old partners the sacrificing partners account. But next case, when he is not bringing his share of goodwill, not at all he is contributing anything to goodwill, then last entry will be only passed, that is incoming partners current account debit to sacrificing partners capital account in the sacrificing ratio. Clear? Now I'll explain you with a sum, 31 sum. In this question beta, goodwill is mentioned 30,000, ratio is 3:2 of Murthy and Shah. Rao is admitted for 1/4 share of profit. Rao did not bring goodwill, and goodwill exists in the book 10,000. There is already goodwill in the book 10,000. Firstly, you will write off that goodwill. How? Old partner Murthy's capital account debit, Shah's capital account debit to goodwill account in 3:2 ratio, 6,000, 4,000 and 10,000. Then Rao is not bringing his share of goodwill. So what will be the entry here? See, goodwill is 30,000. Rao share is 1/4, that is 7,500. He is not able to bring that. So Rao's current account debit 7,500 to Murthy's capital account, to Shah's capital account 4,500 and 3,000 in their sacrificing ratio. Is it clear to all of you? Now if he was bringing, suppose out of 7,500 2,500 cash he was bringing, then what you are going to do? Bank account debit to premium for goodwill account 2,500, and then this entry will be passed with 5,000. Okay, so these two cases are clear. Further, next case, when goodwill account is opened. Now beta, this will be clearly mentioned in the question. This is a new point, you can say. They will clearly mention you that you have to open a goodwill account. Then in that case you have to pass the entries which I am going to explain you now. So when the new partner is not bringing premium for goodwill, either partly or fully, so he can open a goodwill account there. Goodwill is raised mean he can open a goodwill account. For not bringing the amount, he will open an account. कितना मैंने इस अकाउंट में पैसे भी डालने हैं, मैं नहीं लेके आया हूँ. तो what are the entries? See, प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल अकाउंट डेबिट, जितना वो पैसे लेके आया है. गुडविल अकाउंट डेबिट, जितने वो पैसे नहीं लेके आया. टू सैक्रिफाइसिंग पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट मीन्स पहले आप उसके करंट अकाउंट लिखते हो ना, वहाँ पे आपने गुडविल अकाउंट लिख देना है बस. अब उस गुडविल को आपने राइट ऑफ भी करना है न्यू पार्टनर के. सो न्यू पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू गुडविल अकाउंट. नेक्स्ट उसको नलीफाई कर देना न्यू पार्टनर कैपिटल अकाउंट में डाल के, कि न्यू पार्टनर के अकाउंट में डेबिट कर देना न्यू पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू गुडविल अकाउंट. कितनी अमाउंट, जितनी वो नहीं लेके आया, जो आपने गुडविल अकाउंट में लिखी थी उसको उसके पार्टनर के अकाउंट में डेबिट कर देना. पर ये आपने गुडविल अकाउंट तभी ओपन करना है जब ये क्वेश्चन कहेगा, अदरवाइज़ आपने ओपन नहीं करना. ये एक तरह का केस है. हमेशा आपने एंट्री वही याद रखनी है जो ज़्यादा यूज़ होती है हमारी, वो करंट अकाउंट वाली. इनकमिंग्स पार्टनर करंट अकाउंट, सैक्रिफाइसिंग पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. नाउ लास्ट केस इज हिडन गुडविल. This is very important 3 marks question as well as 8 marks question. Now so far जितने भी हमने केस किए हैं हमारी गुडविल क्लियरली मेंशन्ड है, पर sometime goodwill is not clearly mentioned in the question but you have to calculate it. It is hidden. ठीक है, in this value of goodwill is not given, you have to calculate it on the basis of your capital. So what are the steps? Understand. Firstly, calculate net worth means capital of the firm on the basis of new partner's capital and his share. सबसे पहले तुमने टोटल कैपिटल फर्म का निकाला है. जैसे हम कहते हैं ना कि 1/4 शेयर के लिए वो 20,000 लेके आया है. अगर 1/4 हिस्सा 20,000 है तो पूरा कैपिटल कितना है, कैसे निकालेंगे? 20,000 मल्टीप्लाई वो 1/4 को रेसिप्रोक कर दो, मतलब 4/1 कर दो, 80,000 आ गए. ठीक है, यहाँ पे देखो क्या करें हम, क्या एग्जाम्पल दिया मैंने. अज्यूम सी ब्रिंग्स 5,000 इज कैपिटल फॉर 1/5 शेयर. सो नेटवर्थ विल बी 5,000 मल्टीप्लाई 5/1 इज इक्वल टू 25,000. क्लियर? 1/5 को आपने रेसिप्रोक करके 5/1 यू हैव टू डू, यू आर गोइंग टू गेट टोटल कैपिटल दैट इज 25,000. नेक्स्ट स्टेप, then from this total capital you will deduct the capital of old and new partners which is given in the question. ठीक है, less new net worth of reconstituted firms means old partners capital plus new partners capital. Take an example, old partner capital था 7,000 8,000, new लेके आया 5,000, तो टोटल ये बन गया 20,000. तो 25 में से अगर 20,000 हम निकाल दो, 5,000 जो एक्स्ट्रा था वो क्या है आपकी, दैट इज़ योर गुडविल. और उसकी एंट्री वही आएगी, न्यू पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू सैक्रिफाइसिंग पार्टनर्स अकाउंट कैपिटल अकाउंट एंड सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो. क्लियर? ओके, इनकमिंग पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू सैक्रिफाइसिंग पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट. नाउ इसका एक सम दिया आपकी बुक में विच आई हैव सॉल्व फॉर यू. सम नंबर 37. Anil and Sunil's capital is 3,20,000 and 2,40,000. Charu bought 3,20,000 for 1/4 share. So total capital is of the firm is 3,20,000 multiply 4/1, that is 12,80,000. Total capital of reconstituted firm is capital of Anil, Sunil and Charu 3,20,000, 2,40,000, and again 3,20,000. That comes to 8,80,000. So goodwill is here 4 lakh, and everything is here in rupee. Okay, goodwill is here 4 lakh. Now entry. First, he is bringing 3,20,000 capital. So bank account debit to Charu's capital account, 3,20,000, 3,20,000. Next, Charu's current account debit to Anil's current account and Sunil's current account. 1 lakh out of 4 lakh he is bringing 1/4. His goodwill is 1/4. Then 4 लाख बेटा टोटल गुडविल है फर्म की. चारू कितने के लिए 1/4 शेयर के लिए आ रहा है, तो उसकी गुडविल कितनी है 1 लाख. 1 लाख को आपने सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो इक्वल 1:1 में बांट देना है. 50,000 अनिल को और 50,000 सुनील को आपने दे देना है. सो दैट इज़ ऑल अबाउट द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ गुडविल. नाउ बेटा firstly you have to remember this thing, whenever you are writing journals of goodwill, do write narrations and make a proper form of journal. okay, जहाँ तक हमने ट्रीटमेंट्स करनी है अभी आपके जर्नल्स ही बनेंगे इसमें, तो आपने प्रॉपर परफॉर्मा बनाना है, नरेशंस वगैरह सारा कुछ लिखना है. और अभी आपने होमवर्क है आपका इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद फुल गुडविल के सम सारे हिडन गुडविल तक के सॉल्व करने. थैंक यू.